which will customer experience. So as a company, we look at partnering with our customers rather than being a vendor to them providing a standardized service.
Freight Systems, a leading international freight forwarding company since 1988, also highlighted their services at the exhibition.
Freight Systems has always been a customer-focused company, and I think innovation comes from needs, right? So we come up with customized solutions, and many a time when we are going deeply into the customer's need or pain areas, it leads to innovation, right? And that's how we've grown and evolved as an innovative company, focusing on customized solutions for customers.
Time for a short break, but on the other side, the main highlight of the event, the 7th Annual Express Logistics and Supply Chain Awards. Welcome back to the 7th Annual Express Logistics and Supply Chain Conclave. Now, every year, this prestigious event sees a huge turnaround from logistics and supply chain companies that have set new benchmarks in delivering logistics solutions. And of course, one of the most anticipated sessions of the event are the awards. Divided into various categories, these awards recognize companies for their achievements in driving excellence. Let's head straight into the awards ceremony.
We are right here at the 7th edition of the Express Logistics and the Supply Chain Leadership Awards, and these awards are part of the 7th Express Logistics and Supply Chain Conclave. Now this year, in its 7th edition, these awards are presented by Reverse Logistics Company and Green Dust. This is one of the most awaited industry recognition which everyone wants to lay hands on, and is conceived and managed by Kamikaze B2B Media. Ladies and gentlemen, on that note, now I'd like to invite on stage Mr. Hitendra Chaturvedi, founder and managing director, Reverse Logistics Company Private Limited, to please come on stage and share a few words with all of us.
We at Green Dust are honored to sponsor this event. I am eagerly looking forward to all the awardees, and it will be an honor for me to be on the same stage with the awardees, because I know that the criteria to judge the winner, there are many competitors, and if you're one amongst the top in this country, we are very happy to share the stage with you.
So on that note, ladies and gentlemen, we begin with the first set of awards, and to do the honors, joining Mr. Chaturvedi, may I please invite Mr. Rob O'Byrne, founder and CEO, Logistics Bureau Group. Let's begin with the first category. The first category is Best Express Service Provider of the Year, Domestic.
Winner of this category is Blue Dart Express.
And with that, we now proceed to the next category, which is Best Express Service Provider of the Year, International.
DHL Express.
And with that, let's now zoom ahead to the next category, which is Best Road Service Provider of the Year.
Gatika NH2 Express Private Limited. Congratulations.
We now proceed to the next category, which is Best 3PL Company of the Year.
We have Mahindra Logistics and Safe Express. Well done.
And may I please invite Mr. Rubal Jain, Director Corporate Strategy for Safe Express Private Limited. And let's keep that applause going, our second winner in the category of Best 3PL Company of the Year. Congratulations, and thank you, Mr. Hitendra, and thank you, Mr. Rob, for doing the honors in the first category of awards. Thank you very much. All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's keep that energy and that enthusiasm going as we now begin with our second set of awards. And to do the honors, I'm going to invite on stage Mr. Andrew Leonard, Managing Director, AD Supply Chain Group Limited, and Mr. Hitendra Chaturvedi, Founder and Managing Director, Reverse Logistics Company Private Limited. Well, ladies and gentlemen, time to begin with the second set of awards, and the category being Supply Chain Solution Provider of the Year.
And the winner is CHEP India.
And with that, we now proceed to the next category, which is Best Software Solution in Contract Management.
And the winner is Incertis.
All right then, let's now proceed to the next category, which is Best Freight Forwarder of the Year.
And the winner is Schenker India.
And that brings us to the next category, which is Best Air Freight Service Provider of the Year.
And the winner is Dell X Cargo India.
Let's have a warm round of applause there, ladies and gentlemen, for Mr. Andrew for doing the honors in this set of awards. Thank you very much, sir. On that note, it's now time to proceed to the final set of awards. And to do the honors, may I please invite on stage Mr. Harish Bhatia. And the next category is ELSE Face of the Year. And the winner is...
And the face of the year, Mr. Rubal Jain, Director Corporate Strategy, Safe Express Private Limited.
And now for the next category, ELSE CEO of the Year. And the winner is...
Chitra Shinde, President Gati.
And with that, we now proceed to the next category, which is ELSE Company of the Year.
This is a big one. Group TCI.
And with that, it's now time for the final category, ladies and gentlemen, the big award. It's the Lifetime Achievement Award.
Can we get a standing ovation for this one? Mr. Anil Khanna, Managing Director, Blue Dart Express Limited.
Well, you feel great. I feel humbled. Yet, at the same time, I feel that it's too premature. I'm too young. I have to learn a lot. I have to do a lot. I'm yet not done. Wait for my best to come.
For us at Mahindra Logistics, it is a night to celebrate 3 awards. We had set out a vision to be India's leading, most preferred, integrated 3PL logistics service provider. And these awards give us the confidence that we are getting there.
It feels great. It has been an exceptionally difficult year for everyone, I'm sure, and so to win it this year has been particularly joyful.
At the outset, when we started work on this event, in this edition, we knew headwinds are strong. Being the oldest in this trade, in this industry, I told 2 of my key members, if we, being the pioneers, the biggest in this industry, can't do it, no one can do it. Let's go all out and repeat what we've been doing and we are good at.
Being pioneer of this industry, we continue to innovate and we firmly believe that this space belongs to us. Our USP is our content and we thrive on our content.
With that, we come to the end of this highly engaging and informative episode of the 7th Annual Express Logistics and Supply Chain Conclave. We hope you enjoyed watching the show as much as we did in bringing it to you. Goodbye.